Hello, my friends. How are you? Today we're gonna take the sound of the letters. We will begin of the letter A. The sound of A is A. A. The sound of B, B. B. The sound of C, K. 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 The sound of D is D. D. The sound of E, Eh. Eh. The sound of F, F. F. Great job. Clapping. Clapping. This is clapping. Great job. Let's say it again. The sound of A, A. The sound of B, B. B. The sound of C, K. 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 The sound of D, D. D. The sound of E, Eh. 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 Yes, great. The sound of E, Eh. 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 Great. The sound of F, F. F. Yes, excellent. F. F. And now let's read. Repeat after me. Lamp, lamp. It's a lamp. Kite, kite. Guitar, guitar. Grass, grass. Horse, horse. Hair, hair. Ice cream, ice cream. Jellyfish, jellyfish. Great job. And this is a lion, lion. Great job. It's a lion, lion. Thank you, my friends. Like, subscribe, and share for more videos. Bye-bye.